also did this one, dirty DUIs. You ever heard of those?
Yes.
As recorded in published transcripts of his interviews with police detectives in March 17, 2011, Butler admitted that he hired female decoys to assist in determining if a target male, usually the husband of his female client, would drink alcohol in a quantity sufficient to exceed the legal limit to drive an automobile. Once the target male had been observed to consume this amount of alcohol, likely to exceed the legal limit to drive, he hired female decoys, would leave the establishment, and ask the target to follow them home, like they're going to hook up, right?
Right.
All right. An associate coined the phrase dirty DUI scheme to describe the practice. A number of the arrests and convictions resulted from the practice have been expunged and overturned, along with apologies from the senior deputy district attorney of Contra County, Hal Jewett, whose office prosecuted the original cases. Jewett was quoted in his cover letter to one man arrested in Butler's sting operation as saying the drunken driving arrest was one of the most deplorable legal practices I'd ever heard of. Okay.